Today I thought I'd do a short video on a practical method of cleaning and restoring old yellow plastic headlight lenses. The first step is to wet sand the lens with 1500 grit just to get yourself down to some nice fresh new plastic. So we're just going to wet it down. And I just have some 1500 grit here, and we're just going to wet sand all that old crud and corrosion off of there. And keep it nice and wet, and I masked off the chrome so I don't scratch that. So I'm just going to, like I said, just wet sand it down till I get to nice, fresh, new plastic. After wet sanding, you should be left with some clean white plastic. The next step is to wheel this out. And I'm just going to be using some McGuire's rubbing compound and a wheel. So we're just going to put a little bit of compound on the wheel first so that we're not spreading it all over. And I just like to put a little bit on there like that. And just spread it around a little bit with the wheel. Now after you wheel it out and you buff it the best you can, then you can throw some polish on it, or wax of really any kind. I like to sometimes use turtle wax, or just this is McGuire's Pure Wax, Carnauba wax. So let me throw some wax on this, and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. So that's it. I think it turned out pretty clear and shiny. I threw on a coat of turtle wax just to protect it. I think it'll last a good long time and stay clear for a long time. I hope you enjoyed this video on a way to renew your yellowing, dingy headlights. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.